I teach a math course where students are asked to solve a system of equations which is a combination of a quadratic equation and a linear equation. And the way to solve this, of course, is with comparison. Because the y is already isolated in both of these equations, I can go right into my comparison, where 1/2 x plus 2 squared plus 2 is equal to x minus 1. The next thing to do is to apply some algebra. I'm going to square this binomial, and this is where the first mistake often creeps in. A lot of students are going too fast, and they think that the square of x plus 2 is x squared plus 4. Of course, it is not. It is x squared plus 4x plus 4. The next thing we do is we multiply each of the terms in the bracket by 1/2. And here another mistake creeps in quite often. The student forgets to write the plus 2 that they always had along with the other terms, and they change their equation into something else. Next, I'm going to move everything to the left of the equals and make the expression equal to 0. So I have 1/2 x squared plus 2x minus x plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 equals 0. And now I'm combining similar terms. 1/2 x squared plus x plus 5 equals 0. I can find my a, my b, and my c. A equals 1/2, b equals 1, c equals 5. And now I can do my quadratic formula. Starting with the discriminant, it's going to be equal to 1 squared minus 4 times 1/2 times 5. Which is 1 minus 10, which is -9. Therefore, there is no solution. A negative discriminant means that there are no points of intersection between the straight line and the parabola. To see what this looks like on the graph, although it's not necessary in order to get the marks for doing this equation, I'm going to graph the original parabola and the original straight line, and we'll see what it looks like. The vertex of the original parabola is here at -2, 2, and its y-intercept is 4, so it looks something like this. And then the straight line has a slope of 1 and a y-intercept of -1, so it's going to look like this. This is my second equation, this is my first. So we can see that this straight line will never intercept this parabola, so it makes sense that we have no solution to the system.